It is so early right now. Fucking A. What is up, guys? It's early as fuck in the morning. Ooh, what's that? What is that? That is a nice Porsche. Wow, neighbor's Porsche. Anyways, we're heading over to Gido's to wash cars. That's me. Hello. And then after that, we are going to TF Works meet, season opener swap meet. So it should be a pretty fun day today. Kind of early in the morning. A wild Ferrari appears. What the heck? Quick send. Up and early again. Yeah, man. Clean that car. What car is this again, Matt? 335D. The D's for... Damn, bro.
It works well. Damn.
You blast. He's right there.
It works really well.
You blasted him.
Shut the heck up.
We're basically all here washing our cars. Gido just washed the BRZ that we just put the wing on last night. Looks a lot cleaner, especially his wheels. His wheels are just coated in brake dust, but now it looks really good. And the wing looks really good too. I honestly think from this angle, probably looks the best. My car, I just got here. Obviously, the wheels need some cleaning. Let me see if I can show you how much freaking brake dust there is. Oh, maybe I can't. Well, the wheels definitely need some cleaning. And then I got some bug splatters when driving, like right here and stuff. Yuck. I'm gonna wipe that off. But other than that, I think we're basically it. Basically good. Yes, sir. The boys are going. Very nice. What is that? GT500? Cobra?
It's him just following behind another car.
That's wrong.
And this
Pulling up to the spot. Kind of here early. It's only 9:30. I don't know if you guys can see that. But they said to come early. A lot of cars. Oh my gosh, there are already so many cars here. I don't know if you guys can see. What up?
Are you selling anything today?
Nah.
Gotcha. Just line up on the side then.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How's it going? Out of all these cars. Look at this. Look at that chaser. Nice. Nice 240. Is it LS?
Yeah, it looks like it.
No way. Oh shit. Very nice.
I think so. I saw it on the
That's
story.
sick.
Control of Instagram.
E30, BRZ. Another BMW. Subaru. STI. Super Gang. Another Supra. Nice front lip. Street Hunter wing. Another 240. Very nice. This is Togue Factorys' new project. 400Z. Nice. Has a nice little matte wrap on it too. That's pretty sick. First time inside of Togue Factory. We have Matt's 350Z. It's alive again. Very nice. You looking forward to driving it again? Matt, you looking forward to driving it again? S14, no front bumper, drift build. Another E30, nice. M3s. And then we have an FD in the back just chilling. Very nice. 3-rotor turbo FD with flippy headlights.
No, that could be 3.
No, it doesn't. It doesn't have flippy headlights.
Oh wait,
No,
what?
It's
No flippy headlights? No. Oh, just low vis headlights.
1,
Sick.
2.
Honda Earth Dreams, baby.
This thing is crazy. E30 K swap.
In Mercedes.
What?
I know. I was just messing with you. I was hoping you would catch it. You know.
I saw this car before, dude.
Yeah, because you were like, wait, what?
Prices. Valve cover, $15.
$5.
$25. Exhaust $5. Is it? Oh, and the sway bars? $5 for exhaust, muffler. Wow.
Exhaust cover is $50.
That's awesome. That's
Should I get
awesome.
it?
He's gonna have it as an ornament.
Hang it up, yeah. I mean, what am I gonna use it for?
Actually,
$1.
I'm gonna buy it for $1 just to keep it.
Yeah,
Just to have it.
exactly.
Look at it.
That's a relic.
It's $15, bro.
Boston. Oh, it's $15 damage. Not bad.
Let's make a fan out of this.
You should make coffee table.
Coffee table or
So what are you saying? Like cutting at these?
no.
Stack them together on coffee
Or are you
table.
putting a fan inside?
Fan inside.
Oh, that'd
yeah.
be sick.
Or computer.
If I buy those two helmets, we want to hang it up with the valve cover.
I want one.
No, that's what I'm saying. We'll hang
Put
it up
it
in
in
your
my
garage,
garage?
next to the thing and just.
Sure. Sure.
Yeah, then the neighbor's gonna be like, yo, he used to race.
Yeah.
He was on the Le Mans
Obviously,
circuit.
he's retired now.
Never too busy for money. Right.
Eddie bought the helmets. $1 helmets. Very nice. But yo, this guy does GLTC.
You have $5 and change?
Going in your garage.
You have $5 and
There's multiple valve covers?
Yeah, we got a whole stack.
Oh,
But you have
no
different
way.
ones?
Yeah, but this is the worst one. That's why we're putting it out for $15. If you want one of these,
Do you have any nicer ones? I mean,
but these we actually use for all the
Oh.
parts. So if you want one of these, it's $40.
how much is the purple one? Or
$40
the blue one?
bucks.
$40?
Yep.
Very nice.
Which one, Gido?
What did you just give me?
I didn't give you. He gave you $2.
Yeah, you gave me
Okay, we'll get this one if you throw in this one for free.
Huh?
I'm just kidding.
Yeah, I'll do that. $55.
You're not kidding. You 100% meant that.
You heard him, $55.
$55 you get both.
I don't really need it.
Hey, you know how much these are brand new on eBay right now?
Yeah, no, I know.
So,
I know.
Here, we'll do that one.
huh? Is
We'll
this
do
one?
that one. Yeah.
Okay, let me get you change real
Very nice.
Dang.
993. Just chilling here. Very nice. Yo. Nice truck. Got a lot of cars coming. Evos, STIs, Miatas. Very nice. Integras. A lot of Subis. Type R's. Man, this slot filled up so fast. Yeah. These are that Pig A's.
First gen in America.
So much wider than the regular, or whatever this is, SI.
Yeah, right?
I don't know what it is, if I'm being honest.
But honestly, I like these over the new
Hey, there's a car
23s.
coming. Get out the street.
Very nice. More 240s. Evo over there. R35. Z's. A Fit. Look at this wrap. Interesting wrap job. Get a wrap your car like this. Nice. Very nice. Datsun. Immaculate. This wrap job though has been super popular. Kind of like the anime cartoonish look. Straight up Borderlands car.
Did you see a Z like that? Do you
Yeah.
prefer that Z or do you prefer my Z?
I think I like your Z because it has a little bit more of that like traditional wrap. Yeah. But I mean this is cool. This has been again getting popular. Look at that E30 though. Very nice. Got some stickers. Reinhardt and Togue. Oh, Carlo. What up, bro? How's it going?
Good.
Where you going?
You set the park right here.
Okay, sick. Ooh, Mark IV Supra. Very nice. Oh, that's clean as FD. Look at that. For our 348, not a Testarossa.
We gotta do.
Try to make it stick.
Come on, when you cheap as fuck.
There are literally so many cars here. All over there behind us, all in front of us. We are causing our own little traffic jam. Yes, sir. Hey, Gerald.
Hey, buddy.
Do you need help?
No. I just stopped for you.
The place
Too soon. You see the plate?
Yeah, too soon. Yeah, I wanted TOO, but it was taken. So I was debating on too soon